That's the sound of your friends enjoying this quick and healthy chicken snack. We usually make such snacks to go along with drinks or even as a side dish to rice or flatbread. You'll only be needing 600 grams of chicken fillet, 2 onions, lime, garlic, and last but not least, the spices. So let's get to it! We start by slicing the onions, followed by chopping 2 cloves of garlic. Then we get to the meat. 600 grams of chicken fillet can now be cut into chunks like so. I use a plate for cutting meats as it is easier to clean up afterwards. Now let's add the flavors. I add salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and roasted curry powder. If you cannot find roasted curry powder in the supermarket, you can get normal curry powder and roast it on a pan without oil until it's brown. Make sure it doesn't get burnt, and then that you'll do. Then squeeze the juice of 1 lime over it. If you continue watching the video, I mix in stages. This is so that the spices can equally stick to the chicken chunks. While mixing, I thought it cannot be that spicy and added chili powder. Then mix again. Now comes the green color to the mix with dried green curry leaf powder. As I always say, fresh ones are better. Then after a splash of soy sauce, you know the drill, mix, mix and mix. In a pan, I add the compulsory 2 tablespoons of oil and I fry garlic and onion. After a few minutes, push it to the side of the pan and add the chicken. Give about 2 minutes on each side so that each side becomes nicely brown. Make sure the chicken doesn't lose too much moisture. Afterwards, let the onions join the party and reduce the heat to the medium. After about 5 more minutes, it's good to go. So before serving, I taste the onions for salt. And then take a piece of chicken, cut it through to see everything is cooked well. So yeah, again, make sure that it doesn't get too dry. That's it. Put it onto a plate and make sure nothing falls off the plate. And even if it does, there's always going to be someone to eat it because it's so good. As promised, it's quick, easy, and damn tasty. It took only 10 minutes and then it was all evaporated into thin air. Wait, if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and like this video. Thank you and see you later.